Apenas son las 5:30.
Storm damage. Crew in Encino will work zone on the 101 north at Balboa has the on-ramp closed until further notice. In Orange County and Anaheim area, we had an accident on the 57 north before Lincoln. It has been cleared up. The traffic is still slow from Catella, and there's some wreckage on the right shoulder. Irvine is stopping the traffic on the 5 north after Jeffrey and on the 5 north in traffic to Ball Road. Right now in downtown Los Angeles, we're looking at sunny skies and around 57 degrees. And now here's a look at your latest weather forecast.
Well, kind of a wait and see just when these high wind watches will be upgraded to high wind warnings. For LA County that were under a wind advisory early Saturday will also be put under at least advisory, and then more than likely watch or warning, because we have got some gusty winds coming as we get into Sunday. Now these high wind watches in place Sunday evening through Monday afternoon from the San Bernardino, Riverside County Mountains and Valleys, Santa Ana Mountains and Foothills, Inland Empire, missile gusts 70. More than a lot, definitely. Now, the finished hour Saturday, clear, mid-30s to low 40s, mostly sunny Sunday, and 60s, mostly clear Sunday night and windy. Sunny Monday, low to mid-60s, windy in the mountains and valleys, mid-50s in the valley. Sunny Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, you know, the Weather Channel, Radio Net.
First traffic time, 30 minutes past the hour. You're listening to and weather for Los Angeles.
Sirius XM is home to the best of podcasts, including the Baseball Podcast.
I'm Jake Pitts. He's Jordan Smith. We podcast that twice a week. We will be bringing you our take on the world of baseball with some help from a famous friend.
Ya, cada gente anda como loco, ¿sabes lo que te parece? Se lo que te pasa de repente.
E tem outros aparatos também.
We're going to listen to some success stories from people who have found that key, that silver bullet, if you will, to help them make it through this time of the year and do it in good health. The product that we were really sick, and we got better pretty quick in a few days, and I was like 100. Anyway, long story short, God was dealing with me about eating fruits and vegetables. And so I started, and that's mostly what I ate. I mean, I throw in some protein, you know, into it. But anyway, not only did I lose weight, my energy was
No, es que claro. No, eles não podem conquerar o vídeo.
My friends would tell me every time you come in, Judy, you look younger than you did the last time I saw you. And so I believe in it.
I love it. I haven't gotten my recovery a lot better. So that's one thing I've noticed. You know, it took 3 or 4 months. People got to stick with it. And, you know, some people, they might feel it right away, or some people might just, like me, take 3 or 4 months to grab onto it. And then you realize, yeah, what's going on here where I'm feeling that. That's what was lacking in my diet, and I can see just let nature take its course with what nature has to offer, and you know, balance diet. So, you know, it's a balance in nature. It balanced out my diet, but that's what I was lacking, and I'm sticking with it, brother.
Well, I saw results that people have told me it's a miracle. In football, I tore both knees, right one worse than the left. So approximately 50 plus years, than nothing. So that's really why I got it. It was just to boost the immune system. Well, about a week after I started taking it, my knees started feeling better. I'm probably walking within 80% of normal. Or I was probably at 10. God's honest truth. People have seen me say, did you go get those gel injections or what? I said, no, that's the only thing I've changed. And, I mean, it's unbelievable.
My doctor goes that for your age not to be on any medications, and he said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
And Mom used to get pneumonia every year. Well, that's not happening right now. And she's got energy, and she's doing fine. And I'm trying to get her to use spice more as well. It does help with inflammation on me with my knuckle in my right hand, my index finger. I had a hard time grab onto things and hold on to things because there was pain involved. That pain is gone. So I'm very grateful for this product. Well, this isn't really a supplement with Balance of Nature. Balance of Nature is Balance of Nature, period.
Italia ahorita ya, yo creo que es diferente a antes, ¿o sabes? Depende de donde vayas. Para cuando tengas alguna cita estuviste, te puedes venir a este hospital o al Kaiser. No, vas al Kaiser.
Sí, ajá, sí, como... Ajá, sí.
El Kaiser últimamente yo no sé si tiene más servicios. Según esto sí, pero oye, llamas y no te contesta nada y nadie regresa la llamada después. Ya te llamas, dejan así.
No, pues que toman, digo que... No, pues digo que toman lonche más largo. Pues algo acá es que de 12 a 1:30 toman lonche o... A veces, normalmente de 12 a 1.
Keep the mental acuity going and the strength. And I'm 68. I would be 69 in a few months, and I feel like I'm 30. I really do. I feel good. In fact, your skin looks so nice lately. Thank you. You know, it's balance of nature. It's amazing.
I am so glad I got Balance of Nature. It's just like the people on the commercials. The product is absolutely wonderful. I tell people to try to use it because it works wonders. And if you don't like fruits and vegetables, this is the best way to take them.
Welcome back to the Balance of Nature radio show. Glad to have you with us this
Oh,
weekend talking health and wellness. Some of those success stories. Isn't it amazing the changes that people can make with a simple change like Balance of Nature?
Cuando se calienta aquí se ve ahí donde dice hack.
No, ajá, no, estos... No, no sé. Ajá, no, se calienta, no sé. No sé, no sé.
Cuando están mal solamente.
No, o sea, ajá, no, es como... todo esto... No, todo distinto...
Mira, pues nunca voy a encontrar otra cosa. Tenga que hacer.
Entrar acá, son como es un test ahí también, muchos usan el piloto automático también, ellos ni siquiera tocan el volante, no están no están como al pendiente. Está todo está todo el tiempo, en la noche sí está también. Que no va. Con el cambio. calle, bajarme aquí en Alemania y irme al revés. Entonces, como aquí como no dejan de cambiar línea acá, sí.
Mira que está como va.
No, lo que
No,
voy
pero tú
a...
vas a ir para allá.
Ajá.
dramatically improve or reverse effects of many on what they're calling chronic diseases.
Pues ahí tiene marqués cada fin de semana. O sea, el sábado es una y el domingo creo que es el día en que se pone.
Oh. Pero yo como que me interesa mucho, no me como te digo, casi me compro mucho así que digamos cosas.
Hay uno y vienen cosas que no vas, que también. Ajá, las tiendas ahí los ven. Y a veces también los compran para venderlos acá.
Sí, eso sí.
También.
Fíjate que siempre la noche es más fea para manejar, así se ve menos.
Están aquí unas lámparas que no trabajan, no han cambiado los focos. Más la otra gastar también. A veces hay que hacer eso también.
Esa que tiene el sol, ¿quién se las puede caer? ¿Estabas hablando de esa rampa o ya la abrieron?
No, sí que estaba abierta. La otra es la que está cerrada para entrar. Como que, pues sabes que está bien corto, también para entrar.
Pero tenía un letrero por aquí, yo que pasé acá. Estaba cerrado, pero
Se ve como algo, no sé, tiempo, algo tirado, yo creo.
esa cámara me encanta, como se ve claro, ¿no?
La aplicación esta creo que es más o menos, de vez en cuando sí medio falla, no hay otra aplicación que hace eso, la mayoría son aplicaciones que sirven para cámaras que vienen en la tienda, que para poder guardar.
Para que esta entrada se me hace bien fea, está peligrosa, porque acá vienen bien rápido, no te deja tan fácil entrar.
Que esas le iban para el otro lado. Aquí están trabajando todavía, pero tenían como alguien bloqueado acá. Pero estaban recogiendo los verteos ahí en el tercer nivel. Pero ya.
Decía que el Vázquez solo lo tomáramos en la Raymond, no sé qué, fregados, pero pues yo me fui allí.
Son estas, cuando es temporal, pues normalmente sí, te ponen los verteos como. Ajá, cuando sí, como hay un desvío, es cuando. Ajá.
schooling, nutrition and dietary
está bien,
changes
está
and
aquí.
everything else, and she went and did her own research and probably extended her life by 2 or 3 years.
Mucha gente piensa que se me bajo la
A lot
luz.
of what was being discovered through nutritional research at that
No sé
time.
qué más. ¿Ves? No, te acabo sin luz puesta. No, muchos vayan así en la noche, nada de luces prendidas. No sé, no, aquí a veces no dejan dar vuelta. Imagínate que va a ir tráfico.
Introduction into nutrition that your body may not have had time, and you're going to get a health coach. When you call Balance of Nature, you're going to get a health coach. Extra, it's 800-2468-751, 800-248-751. Call today. Dr. Howard, thanks for being with us. Soul Wellness with Dr. Douglas Howard here on Kevin McCullough.
I've been in show business my entire life. I know when someone's an actor or an actress. And I'd hear Balance of Nature being advertised. But these are real people out there. So I started using Balance of Nature, and immediately I started literally called up the founder, and I said, I've never done this before in my life. I want to tell people about Balance of Nature. I wanted to do for them. BalanceofNature.com and use discount code KLG.
Casi la banqueta. Joder. No, pues así le... Como que sientes despacio. No.